Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix equal image overlapping the other image in WIX. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue with your images here on WIX? Well, fixing this issue is fairly easy, but there are three things you need to understand first. Now, with the elements that we have here on our WIX website, as you can see, we have two images here that are, in this case, aligned at the top. So they are anchored at the top here. So usually when you select them, at the right side, you have the padding or the margin for them. So you can see they are anchored or docked at the top here. Same for the other image. So for the first image, we have like around 55 pixels. And from this one is around 306 pixels, which in this case, when you actually look at it, it's fairly good. So everything's balanced. But whenever you change the viewport for this one, like for example, if we increase or decrease the size of it, there is a chance that some, or in this case, the image might move around, especially for certain elements. So how do we actually fix this issue? Now, to fix this type of issue, what you could do is to basically stack those images. So what am I actually referring to? So first is you want to select your images. So select your image. So this one and as well as this one. So you could go and press and hold shift in order for you to select them. And once you have them, you should see the stack option here. Just click on stack and it will stack your image. Now whenever you move your in this case your screen, it's now going to stay on a very specific format. Now you can even change the space between them, and as you can see, it will not change whenever we change the viewport size here, as you can see right now. So yeah, so this is how you fix this issue with images, but in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.